Hi everyone, in this video you will learn how to use image as your cursor when you hover over an element. As you can see, I got a text box here. Now when I will take my mouse over this text box, you can see the cursor is changed. I can simply type, take my mouse off. When I'll take it back, you can see the cursor is changed again. So this is what we're going to achieve in this video. So let's get started. I'm using VS Code as my code editor. I already got an image here. So this is the image, the format is PNG and the size is 32 by 32. Now let's create an index file here, index.html. Let's have basic HTML structure. Add a link to the style sheet, it will be style.css. Here we only need our text box. So let's use the input element, type will be text, placeholder will be type here. Save it. Now create a style sheet here, style.css. Select the body element. Background color will be chocolate. Select the input element. Display will be block. Margin will be 50 pixel and auto. Padding will be 10 pixels. Width will be 300 pixels. Font size will be around 25 pixels. Outline will be none. Save it. Let's open this file in the browser to see the output. So this is the output. Now when I will take my mouse over this text box, you can see the cursor is still the same. There is no change. To change the cursor on hover, we have to use the hover class as well as the cursor property. So let's go to CSS file. Here, select the input element with the pseudo class hover and use cursor property here. Now we have to provide the path of the image. So we have to use URL and image.png because the image is in the same directory. In case the browser is unable to load the image, you provide a fallback and that will be auto. Also, when we are typing a value in the input box, we have to set the cursor style to default. For that, we have to use focus pseudo class with the input element like this and set cursor style to auto. Now just save it and go to browser. Now let's take the mouse over the input field. So you can see we're getting an image here. Now let's try to enter some text in the input field. You can see we're getting a default cursor. So I hope you understood how to achieve this. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.